Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how I make my thumbnails. So I've made these hot thumbnails today. Not all of them. Okay, so what I use to make my thumbnails is Canva. I'm going to do how to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. Okay, I'm gonna do that one. Okay. I'm going to, no wait, I want to go to Canva, home Canva, okay? So, anyways, no, I don't want to do that one. Okay, never mind. Let's see, YouTube thumbnail. Go, YouTube thumbnail, and then it takes me to another page thingy. Okay, so, you can, hey, stop it. You can, so the thumbnails you can pick from are music thumbnails, like when you run a music channel, you can do that. Like let's say Fame is watching this video. Fame can just choose any of these music thumbnails to pick from. If you run a food channel, I don't know if my subscribers run a food channel. Okay. If you run a beauty channel, I don't know if any of my subscribers run a beauty channel. Kiki Holly runs a beauty channel. Okay, so if you run a tutorial channel like Nick Nimmin, Daryl Eves, video creators, if you watch any of them, they can just choose this one. If you run a travel channel, you can pick these thumbnails. Or if you don't want those thumbnails, you can just pick from all. You can just pick from all results. Okay, so I want to do this one, the Canadian Rockies. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. If you don't want the picture, then just delete everything on the picture. And then also delete the watermark. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to go to Google Images, find how to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. Okay, I have already searched for it. So, and try to find a hot thumbnail. Like, these aren't very hot. Like, let me show you what a hot thumbnail looks like. That one is not. And don't try to choose a thumbnail that has already been selected, like from YouTube.com. Don't choose YouTube thumbnails from YouTube.com because you can get in trouble if you steal the video creator's thumbnails. Any video creator thumbnail. Okay, so what you should choose is this one. Make Google homepage. Okay? Okay, so you can also choose that one. That looks hot too. Okay? And that looks good. So I'm gonna put my finger on it, hold it, and then save image as. And then I am going to do downloads. I'm going to do make Google my homepage, because that's the title of the thumbnail. .jpg. Okay. Okay. So to insert the picture, you want to click this one that says uploads. Click that. Okay. And if you don't see your picture on here, then if you don't see your thumbnail right here, then choose upload an image. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna choose make Google my homepage.jpg. Okay? I'm going to click open, and I'm going to click it and then see, and then I'm gonna make it bigger so that it fits the whole screen without leaving white space. Okay. There we go. Oh wait, whoops. Okay, let's do that. There we go. See, now that doesn't have white space on it. Okay, so if you're done with this, then oh, you can also add text. Okay. If you want to, you don't have to add text, but I'm just gonna add text. Click add a heading. Okay, I'm gonna type how to. Okay, and then I'm going to do that. Okay, how to. Okay, but I'm really not going to I'm not really going to save it as how to. I'm just going to delete that because I don't want to type anything on there. And once you're done with making your thumbnail, once you're done making your thumbnail, click share. No, don't click share. Wait, hold on. I need to find where I can share it. I need to find where I can. Oh, click download so that you can download it to your files. Okay, so you can you want to add a PNG because it has a high quality image. Don't choose anything below that. Okay. PNG is auto selected. Don't choose transparent background. Okay. Oh, you can't do that anyways because it requires Pro. Okay, so once you're done with that, click download. Okay, and it says download, and then go to here. Go to the video. And once you have vidIQ, you can just go click. You can just go to custom thumbnail, click this arrow, and it takes you to custom thumbnail. Okay, so to add a custom thumbnail, you want to click this button that says custom thumbnail right by create thumbnail, but you don't want to create thumbnail. Okay, custom thumbnail. I am going to pick the image I chose. I don't want to do that one. I want to do this one. Okay. Open. And it's uploading. And once you're done with that, click Save Changes. And now you're done. That is how I edit my thumbnails. Plus, that is how to edit your thumbnails. Okay, so please, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.